I'm Joshua Dudgeon with Real Estate Investment Results. You can check us out at realestateinvestmentresults.com. I want to talk quickly about rebalancing your portfolio. So we just came through a little dip in the market in the stock market portfolios, especially where we went from about 27,000 and the Dow down to about 18, which caused quite a few people to get worried. Now that the market is coming back, this is a time to rebalance your portfolio. So if you were really worried about what was happening in the market in those few weeks that it was down, it's a good time once you get back to the top of the market where we were before to take a chunk of that money out of the market and invest it in something that's more secure like real estate with us. So if this is something that you're interested in, feel free to reach out to me. But that rebalancing effect allows you to get a portion of your portfolio into a more secured and more illiquid asset. We offer very good rates of return. Basically, we pay a rate as high as if you were to invest in real estate on your own with all the headaches, and we take on all the headaches and we still pay you a very high rate because we've gotten very good at what we do. You can call me at 608-306-1199. That's my cell phone. Or you can check us out at realestateinvestmentresults.com.